Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. This saves time. On your Android, open Settings, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the Mac can communicate with the phone. On the Mac, install Android File Transfer or a replacement app that handles MTP because macOS doesn't natively mount Android storage. Use a data-capable USB-C or USB-A cable. Charging-only cables won't work. Make sure the port is clean. And unlock the phone when connecting to allow the computer access. Once done with prerequisites, plug the phone into your Mac and on Android, select File Transfer or MTP from the USB options. You'll see an RSA key prompt asking to authorize the Mac for USB debugging. Tap Allow so a DB can work. Then open Android File Transfer to browse files, or, if you need deeper access, open Terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the connection. If the device appears, you're connected. Otherwise, make sure drivers, cable, and USB mode are correct. To finish, perform your tasks. Drag files, run a DB commands, or mirror the screen with a compatible app. If something goes wrong, try a different data-capable cable, switch USB ports, restart both devices, and toggle USB debugging off then on. These steps reset the handshake. If the Mac keeps failing to see the phone, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reauthorize when prompted. Finally, disconnect safely and close apps. This prevents file corruption and maintains a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.